How to fix Facebook application down. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the server of the application Facebook is down or not. In order to do that, head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Down Detector. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Scroll down and search for the application Facebook. So for you, if the server of the application is down, then all you can do is wait for the Facebook support to fix their server, and then you'll be good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook, and then head over to this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. If that's the case, then all you want to do is tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step, what you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to Facebook application. Move into storage and cache. Right here, what you want to do is to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the storage and cache will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Now the next thing you can try doing is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix your Facebook application is down. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.